The importance of proper vehicle maintenance in preventing road accidents. Proper vehicle maintenance is crucial in preventing road accidents. Regular maintenance and inspections help ensure that a vehicle is running at its best and reduces the risk of breakdowns and malfunctions on the road. Regularly checking and maintaining tire pressure, brakes, and lights are some of the most important preventative measures you can take for your vehicle. Worn or damaged brakes can increase stopping distances and make it harder to avoid accidents, while underinflated tires can cause uneven wear, poor handling, and blowouts. Properly functioning headlights, taillights, and turn signals are necessary to ensure that other drivers on the road can see you clearly and anticipate your actions. It is also important to keep up with regular service checkups. This includes oil changes, filter replacements, and ensuring that all the fluids are at the correct level. These checkups can detect any potential issues that may cause a problem down the road. Proper vehicle maintenance not only makes driving safer, but it can also improve gas mileage and prolong the life of your vehicle. By taking the time to perform regular maintenance, you can help reduce the risk of accidents and ensure that your vehicle is running at its best.